My name is Michael Demetrio. I'm one of the directors here at Australian Whole Foods, and we're based in Adelaide, South Australia. Aside from making our own brand and having our own brand called Clever Cooks, we also manufacture for supermarkets under their own private label. We're a supermarket supplier of ready meals. Most shoppers have changed their buying habits now and are buying daily, and what they buy is food ready to eat, so they don't have to prepare as much, it's not as much waste, and the quality of the food is restaurant quality. We started off using rack ovens, and that restricted our process flow. It didn't meet BRC standards, which requires segregation from low care to high care, which is what they call high risk food. And what that means is that you can open the packet and eat it straight away, like a quiche. In order to do this, you have to have certain areas that segregate from high care to low care, so as that doesn't allow people to walk freely from one room to another. The auto-back system did satisfy the criteria of our supermarkets, who are very demanding in terms of ensuring that we don't have any potential cross-contamination, and they're so impressed with our setup. The site that we installed the ovens in is our old copper pot dip site. We had a very tight timeline. We set aside 6 months, and through persistence, we all managed to meet very tight timelines. Due to the fact that this is a short shelf life product, there's a fair bit of demand on our processing techniques. We have 2 ovens here, and one mainly drives our bakes, which are lasagnes and shepherd's pie and that sort of thing, and the other one does our quiche, more of our bakery sort of side. Now, if we have a big run on bakes, we're able to use both ovens to do the same product to enable us to give us that flexibility. So we can run small runs, and it runs quite comfortably. However, when there's a need to do promotional activity, we can turn it on very quickly and triple the output, quadruple the output if we need to. The ovens enable us to have product loaded, it gets cooked and then chilled to 4 degrees, which meets Australian standards, all within 3 hours. Obviously, we need to be very competitive in our processing and pricing, and in order to do this, we have to run things very lean. Our equipment needs to work as efficiently as possible. We decided to use an automated system, more of a conveyorised system, so the auto-bake system is able to run on its own, and nobody needs to sit there and monitor it. You can monitor it remotely. By having these ovens, the heat's contained, you don't get lost by opening doors, and it works very, very well. The auto-bake system is a very quiet system. It purrs along in the background and you don't even know it's going. Our current capacity is probably about 30%. When you build a facility this size, you don't build it to only have 20 or 10% left growth. So we've allowed plenty of capacity there. Our long-term vision is to become an online meals supplier, because that way you're in complete control of your destination, of what products you make, how you make them, to capture a wider audience, and gives us some control within the market. So you're not told by anybody what products you can make.